Your Excellency, former President, Goodluck Ebele Jonathan, Your Excellencies, Your Majesties, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I'm here this morning to lend support and also to congratulate our President, Goodluck Ebele Jonathan, for keeping the flag of democracy flying through the work being done by his foundation. I recall a few years ago, I was a panelist at the session in Abuja, and since then, I made a commitment that if and when I have the time, and I will participate in the activities of this foundation. And I'm glad to be here today, particularly in this dialogue that seeks to address a very, very burning issue as it relates to our democracy. I am all ears to hear from Professor Lumumba and the panelists on how do we relate our democracy to development. And as one of his speakers said in their remarks, if democracy is not delivering development to our people or seem to be delivering development to our people, are military coups an option? Is that not taking us back? And as His Royal Majesty, the Olu of Warri, remarked, if Nigeria does not get it right, the black race may never be able to get it right. So, Mr. President, I want to thank you very much for bringing us all to Yenagoa, Bayelsa State, to listen to this dialogue, but also to support my brother, Senator Diri, who we will have to come back here and effectively campaign for him to continue the good work he's doing in Bayelsa State. I hope, Kingsley, you are not going to charge me for any airtime or campaign. So, I want to thank you for hosting this event. And Mr. President, I hope this is not going to be an exclusive of Bayelsa, and you're going to rotate, or the foundation is going to rotate its dialogue around the zone. Thank you very much for inviting me.